Sophistication, luxury, and excellence. Hello, I'm Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola, and welcome aboard the 32 Aviara. We'll start at the transom of the 32 Aviara, and you'll notice a 10-foot, 4-inch wide boat. Very spacious, very elegant. You'll see we're powered with twin Mercury 300 Verados. Moving around into the cockpit area, start on the sun pad, lots of space, 3 bar stools that raise up and down, backrests that flip up with a shade up above. Stepping into our cockpit, the first thing I would say is spacious and elegant. What a great cockpit area to entertain all of your guests with L-shaped seating and a large galley area over here with a refrigerator and a sink area. Here we are at the helm, and you will see we have a very nice setup. To the left, we have our systems monitor display. In the center, we have our Garmin GPS chart plotter. Off to the right, our SIMRAD, monitoring our vessel view, joystick piloting, and all of our engine diagnostics. Our trim tabs, controls, and also our joystick piloting joystick here. And don't forget that handcrafted, nice, elegant touch by Aviara on that steering wheel. Here we are on the bow, and you will see very spacious, excellent seating for all of your guests. You have a bow filler cushion that comes into play as well, or a bow table. Our anchor locker with a remote control and a through-the-hole windlass setup. Next, we'll take you down below to the head, which you'll see is in the center of the boat, giving you deeper, more space for any of your guests to use. We'll slide the magnetic mechanism, and you will see very spacious with a sink down below as well. Thank you for tuning in today aboard this brand new Aviara 32. And remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.